Any queries? Any kind of things? No, no from your side, Ashish. How about Nisha and Salma? Your voice is coming very low, Salma. Your voice is not audible.
Not at sir. There's no doubt.
Clear, no?
Yeah.
Okay. How about Nisha? Nisha, I'm audible? Nisha has left. Okay, okay, fine then. Let us start with the next topic today. So see, until where the last topic we are done, I completed with the cash journal. I told you how to maintain the cash in SAP and what are the configuration we have for cash journal. I told you in last topic. So see here, I'll just revise you once again. So see, I told you last topic here how to maintain the cash journal and how to post the entry under the cash journal. I told you. This is the last topic what we completed in our session. So today what we'll do, today we shall start with our next topic that is called Dunning procedure start today. So today what we'll do, today we shall start with the next topic that is called Dunning procedure start today. Okay. So what is exactly Dunning procedure? What is meant by Dunning procedure? What is the name Dunning means? See, Dunning is nothing but it's a kind of a reminder or a notice which is sent to the customer to pay the outstanding amount soon. Dunning is what basically it's kind of a reminder or a notice which is sent to the customer to pay the outstanding amount soon. Basically, you have booked invoices on credit basis, on credit or debit, whatever is there. So that outstanding amount is still pending and customer is not yet paid you. He is not paying you for 20 days, 30 days, 1 month, 2 months. He is not paying you only. So that time what you do, you take action against that. So what you do there, you send him a notice. What notice you send him? You send him a notice stating that so and so amount is pending. Kindly pay this amount in a meantime. So that is basically we generate a dunning that time. So to do that configuration now, we need to follow these 4 steps. First is dunning implementation I should do. That means how many days, how many levels, and how many configuration, what all to be done, everything will be done under here. And then comes linking the customer to which customer is sending. Then this is optional step. I'll tell you this optional step, the dunning printout. So first let us go to the dunning implementation and let us do this step in a SAP. Hello, 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 बोलो. लिखो एक एक 2 प्लेट लिखो 2 प्लेट लियो मार 2 प्लेट 3 प्लेट लियो 3 प्लेट लियो 3 प्लेट लियो तू इडली खाता है ना इडली इडली खाता है 2 प्लेट लियो 2 प्लेट yeah sorry I was on call yeah so where you got to go to maintain that dunning procedure you should go for SPRO SAP preferences IMG so you need to go for under this financial accounting here it comes under here under that it comes under here accounts receivable accounts payable go here under go for here business transaction under go for here dunning under we have here dunning procedure defined dunning procedures. The path comes under the financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and it comes under here business transaction, and it comes under here dunning, under that dunning procedure, and it go for here defined dunning procedure. So defined dunning procedure is the way we create a dunning procedure for which you are doing the configuration in SAP. So what you do? Go to defined dunning procedure. Once you go here, then what you do? Click on a new procedure. You are creating new one, right? New procedure means click on new procedure. Once you click on new procedure, now you need to specify here dunning procedure of new code. You want you can take same as company code, otherwise you can take a different code also, doesn't matter. So I'll take same as company code, that is TA. I'll take same as company code. Name I'll put here dunning procedure ready. Then in general data, dunning interval in days. This is very important. How many days of gap you want to keep? I'll keep a gap of 15 days. What is 15 days means? That means this much is the time for the each invoice. If invoice is posted today, from today से लेकर 15 days तक you can wait. Then after 15 days, it will be that invoice should be done, should be sent. Notice can be sent. It is eligible. The notice is eligible to send. So that is called the interval days, 15 days. Then comes number of dunning level. How many level of dunning you want to prepare? See, maximum in SAP will be 9 level is maximum. Okay, maximum is 9 level and minimum is 1. Ready? I'll put a 3 level. What is level means? See, level means how the level will increase, like that the power of notice will increase. Like first level you send a consultant level, second level is a director level, third level you take it to Supreme Court or a High Court. That case you will file against the customer if he doesn't pay the amount. So that is called this level. Ready? In companies you have maximum 9 level, I take 3 level as of now. And it depends upon the company to company. How many warnings they want to give. How many warnings they want to give to the customer, that depends upon that. Then total due item, arrear days is not required. This is not mandatory. Grace period, I'll take extra 2 days. That means 15 plus 2 total 17 days of a time customer has. That is called grace period. Extra grace. And then interest indicator will be standard here 0, 1, which is standard item interest will be calculated. For those invoice, if the amount is not paid, extra interest will be calculated. So it is called standard item interest calculation. Then after that, public holiday ID you want, you can take, this is not mandatory, means on a holiday days the letter won't go. Okay, you can go and check here. In India we have holiday, or India calendar is there here already, is there is here. Indian holiday calendar is there, you can take it, otherwise you can remove it. System will take by default automatic. Then after that, tick this 3. Tick the standard action dunning procedure, tick this 3, and reference dunning procedure takes same as company code TA66. So after giving this much of detail, now click on dunning levels.
Grace period after 15 days, it will consider 2 more days or what?
2 more days grace period. After 15 days, extra 2 days as a grace.
Okay.
Yeah. Then after this, what you do? Click on dunning level. So once you click on dunning level, system will tell you like this now. See, reference as a 0 dunning level. Just click on enter. Once you enter, see, automatically 1, 2. A second. So when I enter here, automatically I got here 1, 2, 3 levels. Then what is there here? Then after that, it is asking me whether you want to calculate interest for all the days. See, and days in arrear came automatic here. 2 days first level, 2 days grace period. Second notice when will you send? After 15 plus 2 extra days. 15 plus 2, 17 days. Ready? Like that. Second level notice will be sent. Third will be sent on 30 after 32 days. Okay, so what I want to do now? It is asking you for a first level you want to calculate interest or no, it is asking you. Most of the company what they do on a first level, they don't calculate interest. They calculate interest on second dunning letter if amount is not paid, and third also they will calculate like this. And payment intent is not required, leave this back. Legal dunning procedure is done on a third level. Okay, when notice is gone on third level, we tick here legal dunning notice. What is legal dunning notice means? If you tick here, if you tick this legal dunning notice here, then it has a power to put the case on Supreme Court or High Court to the customer. We file a case, otherwise we sue that customer in a court. If you take this one at a last level, this will be not be on until here. When it comes to third level, that time it take this one, because the customer is not paying the amount. We are suing them in the court. You come to court and talk there why not paid the amount on time. Ready? So that is the reason. Now what we'll do, we'll take everything on first level only issue and always legal procedure. Okay. So after doing this much of configuration, now what we do? Click on dunning text again.
Wait a second. Days in errors. This 2 days. What indicates that?
2 days means that only. No, days in arrears indicates basically means. Now see, first letter will be sent after 15 days is done. 2 days extra grace period. Okay, 2 days extra grace period will be having. So after 2 days is done, first letter will be sent. First dunning letter will be sent. Second dunning letter will be sent after 15 plus 2 extra days again for him. This is 15 plus 2. This is again 15 plus 2. Understanding? So 17 and 32. You know automatically where it came? It came from the grace period. So this is where the days in arrears stands for. Right? Are able to catch it, Ashish? 2, 15 plus 2, 17. Yes. That is 32 again, third level. Yes. Most of the customer they'll pay in first level only. Why? You tell me why they'll pay in first level only, they'll pay, tell me. Most of the customer, why they pay in first level, first letter only, why they pay, tell me. To avoid
Because of interest.
To avoid the interest and as well as the penalty. We also put a penalties for the level. I'll show you that one. So after this much of detail, click on dunning text here and give the company code TA66. Then what you do? Continue here. So once you continue, system will tell you maintain dunning data. So click on your new company code. Click on new company code, give company code and continue. It will come automatic. Click on new company code, give company code and continue. Then what you do? You need to tick this both. Dunning by dunning area, separate notice per deliver. Tick this and this both. Okay. Tick this and this both. Then what you do? Click on save. Okay, tick this both and click on save. Save, enter and enter. Okay, it will take you to same screen. Now what you do? Now click on charges. Charges, why we click here, we maintain the penalty, extra penalty. Now click on charges, currency INR. Click on charges, give currency INR. Then click on continue. So once you click on continue, now see, you can put here the extra penalty or charges for the customer. So I'll put here first level 200 rupees. Second level I'll put as a 400. Third level I'll put in 1000. Ready? That means for the first level the customer should pay 200. You can also give the percentage also 10% here. What is 10% means? If invoice amount is 10,000, 10,000 of 10% is 1,000. So a customer should pay extra 1,000. That means total customer should pay 11,000. If you give percentage like this. Understanding? What you can do directly amount 200, 400, 1,000. If you give direct amount, this extra penalty amount should be paid from the customer, including penalty amount. Ready? So now what you do? After giving this much of detail, now click on dunning text again. Click on dunning text, give company code and continue. So once you continue, you get like this screen. Now here what you should do, you should maintain forms here. What is forms? Forms are standard which will be there by default by SAP. I'll tell you how to maintain it. So first level, you click on the box here. And can you see first running form? This is basically the format, letter format. Which format letter you want, you can click on this here. Click here and give output device LP01 is a standard. It is called laser printed standard one. Print preview. See, the format comes like this. This is sample. See. First letter, dear sir, madam, the invoice is stated below for it will come in this format. If you paid amount in new time, please disregard this mail sincerely. See. And there are different kind of formats are there. Dunning form with interest. See. LP01 and print preview. See. So this is a different form again. See. Every form is different. This is again, this is different form. See. So any format and form we can check here. See, this will be little bit warning types here. We already have sent you a reminder about the due date of our invoices. We have, however, so far been unable to find any record of incoming payment for this invoices. Please transfer already amounts here. So whichever format you want, you can take. I'll take this first one. I'll double click on this, which is very simple warning. Simple warning. Again, second level, I'll take same simple warning. Third level, I'll take this one. Third level, I'll take this. This is very strict warnings here. Ready? So first warning is common. Second warning is medium than that, and the third warning is the very strong warning. Then, so after this much of detail, then what we do? Take it back. So after this much of detail, now take it back. Take it back and what you do? Save. Save. It will ask you like this. No minimum entered. Enter. And again enter. Dunning procedure. TA66 was. Ready? So our dunning has been maintained. So once this much is done. So once this much is done, then what you should do next year now? You want to go and edit also. Go here and see, you can edit it. Maintain 3 level notice. Again, you can see. So my first configuration is done. So my first configuration is done. 3 level notice be maintained. So what will come the next year now after this one is done? The next comes here now linking the customer to Dunning in FD02. I should go for FD02 to which customer I'm sending this notice to link that one. So what I'll do, I'll click here /n FD02. I'll go. So go to /n FD02, go here, give the company code. What is the company code? TA. Which customer is sending it? Select that particular customer here. So 2 are there. I'll take first one. Continue. Then go to company code data here. Then go to correspondence here. Correspondence and here see dunning procedure. What is dunning procedure? Same as company code. Same as company code, that is basically TA66. Just a second, guys. Yeah. So what are you going to do? Give TH66. Sorry for that. Now click on save here. Then click on save. So once you save, see this customer has a link to the done procedure. Ready? So we should link that which customer is sending the notice. Correct? So once this much is done, the next configuration what you should do? Next comes here, make a demo invoice FB 70 15 days back are your optional. This step this step why we do? This step we do for the purpose of an if you don't have a demo invoice, then I cannot show you printing, dunning printout. Correct? For that reason, I need to maintain this one. Okay, so let us check whether I have a demo invoice or no to show you this printout. So for that, where we go and check in FBL 5N. We go here for that. Go FBL 5N, then give the company code here and select here the customer. Which customer I'm checking? I'm checking for first customer. All item execute. See, I don't have. I have a 20,000 minus amount is there. See. Ready? 20,000 I have minus amount. That means my dunning notice will not generate. Ready? So what I should do? I should go and do the invoice 15 days back. Okay, so how I'll do that one? Keep the screen like this, open another screen. Go to FB70 and change your company code to TA66. And what you do? Select here the customer. Which customer are you posting? First customer. Date you take here 1 month back date 14/02/2023. I am taking 1 month. It can be 15 days. More than 15 days back it can be there. It's okay. It doesn't matter. It can be 1 month date. I take 90,000. Calculate tax. Being goods sold to third party. 201 sales amount star. What is my output tax code? My output tax code is 60. Text as a plus. Done. Give this much of detail, then click on stimulate. Stimulate. Stimulate and enter and post. Post. So once you post, you see 107 has been posted. Now go and check it. List and refresh it. See how much it is showing you now here. 70,000 is showing you now. I'll pass another invoice. Stimulate, enter, post. See. Now again refresh and check here. See, total 160. So now total 160 I have made overdue payment. See, two overdue payment I have made. For this two overdue payment, what I should do now? I need to go and run the dunning printout. Okay, in F150. So now comes a very important point. So what I'll do now? I will take it back. So last configuration now I'll run the dunning. So where it comes under accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, periodic processing, F150 dunning. Go here. This is where we generate our dunning. So go for F150 dunning here and you run on day. And your identification same as company code TA66 and click on parameter. You run on date, your identification, click on parameter here. Then once you click on parameter, you need to give here dunning date. So dunning date is I'll take 14/03/2023 same 14/03/2023 same I'll take. Company code is TA66. Which customer I am sending the notice? First customers. Ready? If you have multiple customer in your company code, you can send to multiple. Click here, multiple selection. You can click here.
So,
Yes.
the notice will send to him by mail or what?
No, notice will be sent by the mail also, and directly also you can send.
By
Notice will be sent directly, email also can be sent, or it can be sent through the email also. Just a second, 2 minutes. Yeah, Ashish, you are asking something?
Yeah, that this letter will be sent to customer. This we extract this from a printer, and then that notice will be sent to like.
Send to through the we first generate the letter and then we send from there. Okay, I'll show you. Let me generate it. Wait. Now what you do after selecting the customer, now click on additional log. Again, select the same customer. It is first customer. And after that, what you do? Click on status. Hence, it will ask you your parameter yes. Then click on a schedule and output device LP01. Again, continue. Okay, click on schedule LP0 output device. Continue. Then start immediately. Done British scheduling. Click on schedule. Okay. Then once the see it is showing 0 turn is generated, which are 0 to be sent. Okay, now what you do, click on individual done notice and output device LP01 and continue. So once you continue here now, it will ask you company code TA66 and click on print preview sample printout. So once you click on sample printout, it will show you how many dunning has come, and cross company code transactions means basically cross company code dunning is not required if you're doing the sending the letter from other company code to one company code. Okay, like from the one company code you're sending for other company code, that is called cross company code dunning, is not required. So click on sample printout to see your company code. So once you click on sample printout, is showing this here. Company code TA66 is being processed. Now what you do, click on continue. Click on continue, and now can you see it is showing you 0 here. Now once I cancel this now, so once you cancel this, it will show you, see, one done notice generated which are one to be sent. Now I want to go and see this one. So where do I go and see it? For that, go to done history, click here. Okay, for that, go to click on done history. Account type it is asking me, so account type I take it as a D for customer. Say D for customer account type, and then company code TA66 and which customer it is, first customer. First customer. Now execute. Now once I execute, it will show me how much amount of notice can be sent to the customer. It is shown execute. So once I execute, say 1,60,000 total. Ready? First done letter has come. 1,60,000 is the total amount. TWS company codes. Now if this comes like this, it is correct. If this comes a blank, that means you need to check what mistake you have done. Everything from starting. Now I want to see which all payment it has taken. Click select to see that, select here. Select means click here. Click anywhere here, click here, then click on display dunning notice. Then see 105, 107, 108, 212. Correct? 105, 50,000. See 105, 50,000. Then 107, 107, 108, 212. See. Total how much is this? 1,60,000. So total how much it came at? See 160 is the total 160. Now what to do? Click on print preview. Print preview and LP01 and continue. Once you continue, now system will automatically show in a page format. Okay. First dunning letter. Dear sir, madam, the invoice is below 40 for payment. See, as which format has selected, it came in that format only. See. Can you see 50, 90, 90, 70? See. What is the dunning charge? Dunning charge is penalty. What is dunning charge penalty total? 200. Total balance is how much? 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 plus 200, total due of item is 1,60,200. Now this we can convert into the Excel format. This you can convert into any kind of Excel format, Word format, or anything you want. To convert that, what you got to do? You got to go to see PDF also. You can see. You can see PDF also. Otherwise, you can go to click on list display. Can click here. So go to click on list display. Then system list save local file. Go to click on list display. Then system list save local file. Click here. So from here we converted local file and in rich text format I'll select it. Okay, unconverted is not required. Text fit I already told you. Text fit time is Excel format. Rich text format basically means MS Word format. HTML means hypertext markup language format. Clipboard is copy format. I'll take rich text format. In a rich text format, I'll say it on desktop. I'll give the file name as a file name. Let us put like Dunning notice. PA66 date is 14/03/2023. On desktop, I'll save it. I will allow it. See, 3000 byte transfer. Now go and check in desktop. Your notice will be generated. See. Got it? See. 1,50,000, 50,000. Total how much it came? 160. So from here we send it to the email to the customer. So this is how dunning is done in SAP system. Got it clearly, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? How about Ashish, Nishan, Nisha, Salma? Everyone got it?
Tell me one
Yes, sir.
thing. Every
Yeah,
time
yeah.
when customer arrives at any the business person, so how they identify like if a customer is new, then the business have to first set up it in the system.
If customer is new, how to identify? I didn't get your question. Can you elaborate properly?
Like vendor, we know that there are particular vendors from which we are manufacturing the products or
Correct.
raw material before it's sending to the customer. We know
Correct.
we can
Correct.
feed that it in the system, that is fine, but how we identify the customer, like
Customer
because
end user will create. End user will create. In day-to-day business level, what will happen? In day-to-day business, well, see, only accounts payable you don't do. You should also do the accounts receivable also. Correct? No. And the end user person will create the customers for the business. How many customers they get? Ready? A buyer from the vendor perspective is a customer. Here
so
now, vendor perspective is a customer, buyer, and a customer perspective, vendor is a supplier. Then customers are required. Then how you are like you without customer, how can you earn a profit?
Oh no, my question is that
Mhm.
okay, for because if we know a customer, because there are a lot of settings like we have to first create a customer in the system, then only we make
Ah,
this.
ah, how we create a supplier, the same way we create a customer. When any business you have, one customer comes to your company. If you purchase any product, you will give him invoice against that product, and you ask him what is his name, customer name. You create a customer against that in your books of accounts. Hmm. So that is called customer. He is only the customer, and some customer will take a credit basis and all pending will be at that time. You send him them a notice. That is called a notice. That is called the customer. As simple as that, Ashish. Just like vendor, we create customer. Nothing else. Got it or no, Ashish? Still.
Like end user that first he maintain the information of particular, because first we have
Particular
to maintain an
as
information of particular
as not like that. As customer keeps coming, end user task is day-to-day activity. They do day-to-day billing. Correct.
okay.
So when customer comes, they do day-to-day billing. That time when they do day-to-day billing, they create that customer. They create the customer and they take that name of the customer and they pass the entry. That's it. Nothing else.
Okay, that time only they will create the
Ah,
things, and the
some
system will be updated.
some companies are there. Some companies are there. Service-based company. In a service-based company, regular customer will be fixed. Getting like from 1 year, 1 to 2 years, they make an agreement with the customer. Customer makes an agreement with the supplier that you only should sell me the product for this 1 year full. Correct. That time what will happen? They create that customer in their system, and they select same customer for all the transactions every time.
Okay.
In a service companies, most of the times, see now, if I give example, if you go to the IT company like Infosys, Accenture, and all the company, they have tied with the HP company. HP should provide them all the hardware accessories like mouse, keyboard, wires, CPU, and whatever the services are there. Correct? No. So HP should always provide this all the companies end-to-end solution. That time what will happen? Who will create a customer? Who will create a customer? The Accenture Infosys will create as a supplier. Who is a supplier? HP is a supplier. And a customer of a HP company is the Infosys and all, because they are providing service to them. So that time it will be a regular basis. That's it, simple. So that time HP has a no option this Infosys should buy, and HP should no option that they should create customer as Infosys in their books of accounts.
Okay.
Alright, so it is a cycle process. How a supplier deal, same deal with the customer. So until here today we are covered with the dunning procedure. I hope everyone is clear with this. Yes, anyone else, anything again doubt? Hafsa, Nisha, Sanwa, you guys clear?
Clear, sir.
Sir, I have doubts
Yeah.
on last
Yes.
topic, sir. Actually, sir, I have done all transactions but not showing on software, sir.
You have done all transactions, but
Not showing, sir, when I fill FBL3 and display the transactions,
okay.
sir. So,
Because maybe what you have done, why it is not showing you, go to FS00 first. Go here. What is your company code?
456. Yes.
Here. What mistake you have done? Maybe you are not ticked this one. Line and display. Check it here. Check it here. Check it here. This is showing. See here. See petty cash. You are not ticked here.
Okay.
Petty cash. Petty cash. In a petty cash, you are not ticked line and display. So it is not showing. You see. Now it is now I see now it is showing. See you are not ticked this one. So it is not showing you in your BL3 here. Is not showing you. Why? Because you didn't tick this one. This petty cash. Correct?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now you to do the entry check, it is show. Clear? Nisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then fine guys. Chalo guys, then see you guys tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll be taking the next topic that is basically called as the terms of payment. I'll tell you how to calculate the terms of payment. I'll tell you what exactly is this. So until here, be perfect and practice everything until here. Tomorrow we shall start terms of payment topic. I'll tell you how to apply the discounts for the customer and vendor. Okay, fine.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
Okay.
Good.
Chalo guys,
Okay,
see
Good
you.
night,
sir.
sir.
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Bye bye.